How to create Spotify artist account. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Chrome and then search Spotify artist. You'll find Spotify for Artists pop up, which is the official Spotify website. In here, you'll find three lines on top right corner of your screen. Simply click on three lines and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on give access or get access. Select if you're a label team member or artist or manager. If you're artist, click on artist and log into your Spotify account. After you've done that, simply click on continue. If you have an artist profile already, if not, simply click on music, not yet, live, simply add artist and you're good to go. From here, you can create your account. This is how to create Spotify artist account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.